Hello guys, it's so nice to upgrade your stock Wrangler seats. I have no complaints at all. But what about the cables under the seat? When you unplug that cable under the seat, some pretty seatbelt and airbag light comes out, and they will not go away. So in this video I will show you at least how to get rid of that seatbelt light forever. So basically what you have to do is cut the green and black cable and plug them together. You can try this before you cut any cable. Then you can put some electrical tape and that's all you have to do. Then hide the cable somewhere under the seat. If this video helped you in any way, please subscribe. And if you know how to get rid of the airbag light, please let me know in the comments below. So that's all for today guys. See you on the next one.